Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with market analysis. This is new video on how to trade with market analysis. So here you see I decided to place my trades call option here, but it's not hammer candlestick, and we see we are arranging market between 120 and 50 EMA. So that's why I didn't place my trade. So I'll wait now to get another opportunity, because you see in range market you have to be very careful. So that's why I didn't place my trade. So I'm waiting now. You see, so you see it's like pullback from 100 and break out of, you see market is not breaking out, so I will not place my trade. I will still wait. If market break 20 and 50 MA, I would have placed my trade put option here, but you see market has not broke 20 and 50 MA. So in this situation we have to wait for another opportunity. So you see here, so I'm still waiting. So if this is engulfing candle, I will place put option, because I know after this candle market is coming down here. So you see market is trying to create hammer candlestick in confluence with engulfing. So I will place my trade on the next candle. Yes, I will place my trade. Yes, after rejection I place my trade put option, because I know definitely market is going down, because we are below all EMAs. You see 200, 100, 20 and 50 all are below my entry point, are above my entry point, and price is below all of them here. So that's why I place my trade put option. So I know definitely market must go down, even though market is doing some panic. You see market is going down. So you see this is winning trade because of this engulfing and the hammer. So let's analyze another one. Let us analyze. So here I will wait for another opportunity. I will not place my trade again here because of ranging market. You see 200, 150 and 20 are flat, are closer to each other. So in this situation we have to wait for the right opportunity. So I will wait. see strong bias entry. Right here is consolidation area. So in this situation, you see, but the bias entry is very strong, so we have to be careful. Because of bias entry, I will not place my trade put option, even though we are in engulfing zone and consolidation area. So but you see, the bias entry is very strong, so I'll wait maybe for the breakout of engulfing zone and consolidation area breakout. I will not place my trade put option now, because this candle is very strong. Market is creating strong candle like hammer, so I will not place my trade, because we have 50-50 chance here. Market can reverse and they can go and can continue as well, so let's wait to see what will happen. See, market is going up, that's why I didn't place my trade. See, market is trying to reach 200 EMA from 100, because they are all together closer. So you see, market is touching 100 EMA, but you see rejection. I'm coming, 1 minute. Okay, I'm back, so let's continue. You see, market is trying to reverse. You see, so after this candle I will place put option. Yes, you see, this is bad entry point. You see how market brought me down immediately. You see, in this situation you cannot be able to get good entry point. You see, really bad entry point. But I know market is creating huge candle. If you can observe this green candle is very strong, so you should expect strong red candle here. But you see, that's why it's very good to get good entry point, but sometimes market will not allow you. You see, as soon as I press my trade, just market brought me down immediately. You see, it is win trade, but the entry point is very bad. So I'm coming, let me continue and analyze another one. So you see here, I will not place my trade because we are in ranging market, and market close exactly at 200 EMA, and you see 200 and 100 is closer together. You see, they are closer together. That's why I didn't place my trade, but I will wait now for market to create good opportunity, because I'm not rushing. You see, market is trying to go higher, but I will not place my trade. In ranging market can create pullback. even though the Bollinger Band shows strong range market. Let's see, anything can happen, so I will not place my trade because of these three black cross. So yes, so you see I'm still waiting. You see strong buyers, sellers I mean. You see strong sellers, but buyers are trying to enter. So that buyers are trying to enter. So maybe after this candle I will place my trade call option, but with marginal of safety. Yes, if I see rejection I will place call option. Yes, you see rejection, I place my trade call option because on the previous candle I can see strong bias. So I know definitely market may create weak candle or bias entry. This candle must be weak or green candle, so that's why I place my trade even though with momentum, but I know market is reversing definitely here. Market is doing some panic. We have 15 seconds. You see 9 seconds. We have 5 seconds. You see bias entry, very strong bias entry. You see, because inside the previous candle I can see strong bias, that's why I place my trade call option with marginal of safety. You see here, you can see I took total 3 trades based on market analysis. All are winning trade in a row, as you can see here. So let's check. You see this is the first trade here. After engulfing in confluence with hammer candlestick, I place my trade put option here. You see, so that's why I place the trade in confluence. Then this one you see with bad entry point, I place my trade put option, but market brought me down immediately, but it is in the money. You see, and the last trade you see, because of this bias entry inside the previous candle, I know buyers must enter, so that's why I place my trade with marginal of safety. This is strong bias entry. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. So I will say thank you, bye bye.